Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Panasonic GH5, and now I'm going to show you all you need to know about HDMI rack output. So, firstly, find the settings, and here find HDMI rack output. Here we have info display. So this option allows you to choose whether to display camera information such as settings, focus, etc. on the HDMI output. So you can enable it if you want this information to be visible on an external monitor, or disable it to have a clean video feed without any overlays. So down convert. So enabling this option allows the camera to downscale HDMI output resolution if it's necessary. Okay, so this can be useful. I don't know why. Maybe while connecting to a monitor or a device that doesn't support the camera's native resolution, because if you will use, for example, 4K to 25p, but the monitor doesn't support it, you can have an error, and it will not shows the video, or will show only crop but not the full video. So it's a good idea to use auto sometimes, but if you know the resolution, so you can use you can use feature you can, for example, 4K to 25p, of course it's for 4K, 1080p or 1080i for compatibility with different devices. So maybe any device is compatible with these two features. Cool. HDMI recording control. So this option are great, grayed out because they can't be adjusted within the camera menu. The HDMI recording control feature allows you to trigger external recording devices via HDMI. I have no connected HDMI devices, so I can't change it. While sound down convert allows you to convert audio signals if needed. 4K to 50p bit mode. So this setting allows you to choose the bit depth and chroma, some sampling when outputting 4K video at 50 frames per second. So the option range from 8-bit to 10-bit with different chroma. So subsampling ratios for 4 to 2 to 0 and 4 to 2 to 2. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.